Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by creating a system restore point and backing up critical files so you can recover if anything goes wrong. Once done, install all pending Windows and firmware updates, then reboot to apply them. Next, make sure Windows security is enabled and run a full Defender scan, quarantine, or remove threats. These steps reduce attack surface and ensure you're updating the base OS before changing settings or installing tools. Now harden the system. Enable BitLocker or device encryption and save the recovery key in a secure location. Then verify Windows Firewall is active across domain, private, and public profiles. Create allow rules only for required applications. Once done, audit installed software, uninstall unneeded programs, and remove browser extensions you don't recognize. Also enable controlled folder access to protect documents. Finish by creating a standard non-admin user for daily tasks. Use the admin account only for installations and configuration. Then configure automatic backups and a maintenance schedule for scans, updates, and driver checks so security remains current. If something breaks, boot into safe mode to disable recent drivers or apps and use System Restore to return to the restore point you created earlier. If malware persists, run Windows Defender offline or a second opinion scanner to clean deeply before restoring files.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.